Hi, and welcome to LB Math Notebook's video on parallel and perpendicular lines. As you hopefully remember, parallel lines are lines that continue on and on without ever intersecting. For a linear function to be parallel to another linear function, they must have the same slope. So in our example, you see y equals 2x plus 3 is parallel to 2x minus y equals 7. Both of those functions have a slope of positive 2, making them parallel. Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect at 90-degree angles. For linear functions to be perpendicular, they must have slopes that are opposite inverses. What that means is the slope gets flipped and the sign gets changed. So in the example, you see y equals 1 half x minus 3 is perpendicular to 2x plus y equals 7. The first equation has a slope of 1 half, and the second equation would have a slope of negative 2. So it gets flipped and the sign is changed. So to show this is how you find an equation of these lines. Problem asks, what is the equation of the line that is parallel to 3x minus 4y equals 20 and goes through the point 8, 9? First thing we have to do is figure out what the slope is going to be. Since it is a parallel line we're trying to find, we need to use the same slope. And that equation, it's standard form, so you do x over y and change the sign to find the slope. In this case, the slope is 3/4. And the slope of our new equation that we're trying to find is also going to be 3/4. Now that you have the slope, you take the slope and you multiply it by the x value. In this case, the x value of the point we need is 8. So 3/4 times 8 is 6. Now we go from that 6 and we try to make it equal to the y value. The y value is 9, so we're trying to figure out what we have to do to 6 to make it equal 9. In this case, we have to add 3. 6 plus 3 equals 9. That plus 3 is our y-intercept. So now we have a slope and a y-intercept. And that makes our equation y equals 3/4 x plus 3. And that would be a line that is parallel to the equation given and goes through the point 8, 9. If you were looking for a perpendicular line, all you would have to do is make sure to flip the slope and change the sign, and you follow those same steps. Now you try some. You are going to get 6 problems where you have to find the line that is either parallel or perpendicular to the given function. You'll be given the correct answers at the end of the video. You ready? Go! Number 1. What is the equation of a line parallel to y equals 3x plus 6 through the point 4, 7? Number 2. What is the equation of a line perpendicular to y equals negative 5x plus 6 through the point 10, 4? Number 3. What is the equation of a line parallel to x minus y equals negative 4 and through the point negative 2, 3? Number 4. What is the equation of a line perpendicular to 2x minus y equals 3 and through the point 4, 3? Number 5. What is the equation of a line parallel to 2x plus y equals 4 and through the point negative 1, 9? Number 6. What is the equation of a line perpendicular to 4x plus 7y equals 21 and through the point negative 4, negative 7? Time's up. Let's check your answers. Number 1. Y equals 3x minus 5. Number 2. Y equals 1/5 x plus 2. Number 3. Y equals x plus 5. Number 4. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 5. Number 5. Y equals negative 2x plus 7. And number 6, y equals negative 7/4 x minus 14. How did you do? Once everyone in your group is finished, check to see who has the most correct. The person with the most correct may get a piece of candy from the bin.